We live in a defining moment of our generation, requiring leadership, cooperation, and hope.
This is Higgsfield AI, and this is the AI video generation and also image generation tool you can use to create whatever images or video you want, and also in why doing that. So this is where you'll be brought to when after clicking on the link in the video description, and also check the comment section as well. So you'll be given a campaign, any of them you feel sure is. As for me, I'll be going with YouTube, and let's go into it.
For decades, internal combustion engine cars have dominated our roads. They've been the undisputed choice for personal transportation. But things...
The moment you click on the link in the description, you'll be brought to a dashboard just like this, and all you have to do is to click on start creating. Then when you click on start creating, directed to this platform, this dashboard that says your AI influencer lives here, design and build your AI influencer from scratch. So what we're going to do is just that we are just going to create something that suits our taste, that suits the audience. And as you guys know, my audience are all in love with automotive content. We are going to over to the right side of our screen, which we have the builder and the prompt. So let's just scroll through the builder and see which of them we want. So I'm going to click on I'm going to use a human. Yeah, I'm going to use a human, and I'll use male for the gender, and I will choose mix, or let's say I'll choose mix. I'll choose African for now. And the skin color, I'm going to use this color at the end of the screen, black color of the eyes. And it's just very easy, and just for you to follow every single step. And the skin condition is okay. I will just leave it, and I will choose mature. I'm going to choose a human face. I don't want anything too obvious, something too strange, and I will leave it just like that. And for the mouth, I will choose small mouth. I don't need a large mouth, and I'll just choose for the ears. I'll choose each come with ear, and also human skin, and the surface should be solid. I don't need any alteration with the skin. So that's everything we need to choose to build. For the builder side, and there's the prompt side. The prompt side actually is where you can just put your prompt into it and generate whatever you want. And ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell ChatGPT the type of individual I want and how I want it to be presented. So just follow me up, and I'll use these dictates for ChatGPT, or we can also type into it, or I want you this. So I'll just click on OK, and that's all. So what we just need to sit back and relax. So we just need to sit back and relax and watch ChatGPT do the work for us. So set the perfect AI prompt. Automotive journalist. Create a highly realistic AI design as a professional automotive journalist. Copy all of these. I'm going to copy from this part down here, copy all to this part here, and we are going to return back to Higgsfield. So we are going to input this into Ctrl+V, copy and paste. I'm going to put this into our prompt and generate AI influencer, and we're going to click on it, see what it's going to come up with. This is what our influencer look like. So he's even holding an iPhone, and also is smiling, a smiley type, and also is wearing a dark colored suit, and is actually fit and have a clean haircut. So that's all we need to do. So remember, the first step is for us to come to this AI influencer page, which is right here. And once you are done with that, once you have your image, just click on the download button and download your image. And once you are done with downloading the photo onto your device, click on motion control unlimited. So once we click on that, and as you guys can see right here, I have done something like this before, and I'm just going to play this for you guys, for you all to see. So I will click on play.
We live in a defining moment of our generation, requiring leadership, cooperation, and hope.
There's no way one could tell this is AI if it was shown to them back in 2015 or even 2020. They wouldn't believe that this is AI because everything looks realistic, and this is one of the projects I've done. And as you guys can see, I used prompt for it to create. First of all, what I did was I created an image right here. Once I'm done with it, then I brought it here to this motion control. So once we get to this section that says create video in under motion control, we are going to click on this create video. Once we click on it, then we are going to click on start frame. We're going to add our image, open, and we are just going to leave the end frame. So what I want it to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a prompt for it, so it will speak something about the latest trend whereby people are transitioning from IC, which is internal combustion engine vehicles, to electric battery fully powered electric vehicles. Now we already have a script already. After using our prompt and clicking on generate, this is what we have already. And let's see what our influencer, our journalists have to say.
For decades, internal combustion engine cars have dominated our roads. They've been the undisputed choice for personal transportation. But things
from the eye movements, the eyeball, like the eye, the opening of the eye, the eyebrows, and the hand, everything is just almost perfect. Everything just real, and it will be difficult for someone to detect, and this is really interesting. So I would like you guys to try this out and let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI software, and as you guys keep on earning, keep on spreading the word as well. Now the question you guys need to ask me now is, how do I create a landscape version of it? How do I create 16:9, which is the normal YouTube videos you guys have been seeing for years? So to create it, what we're going to do now is just that we're going back to ChatGPT, but tell him this time around I want him to maintain the same features as before. Then we're going to create an image with it. Then after creating the image, then we'll come back again to motion control. Remember, it's still an AI influencer, and we're going to create a full version of it, which is something like this, and that's what I'm going to show you guys. Then back to ChatGPT, and we are going to take the first prompt we have here. I'll come back here and I'll say this time around that's it, and it's going to refine it first. Copy. We're just going to include this optional negative prompt I recommended so that it won't make it to be cartoonish or anime. Click on image, and we are going to click on Control A, remove whatever thing we are having already, because before now I've generated several images, and I'm going to use a Nano Banana Pro. We have different things we can use right here, but I prefer Nano Banana Pro 16:9 to make it a landscape just like this ones you guys are seeing right here. And we are going to make up to 4, and let's click on Ctrl V, paste our prompt right here, and click on generate. So right here we are having 4 different photos to use. So we have the one with let's view this one right here. This one is quite empty and it's making the same face, and we are just going to click on cancel. And we have this other one right here. We have Cybertruck right here, and we have like a Porsche Taycan at the back of at the background of the influencer. So we are going to now what we are going to do now is that we are going to download this part. We're just going to click on download it right here and just click on download and save it on our device. Cool. Now we are having our AI influencer, and let's see what they have to say to us.
For decades, internal combustion engine cars have dominated our roads. Gasoline, diesel noise, oil changes, that's what most car buyers grew up with. But today, we're witnessing one of the biggest shifts in automotive history. More drivers are trading up from existing vehicles and moving toward fueling.
To change the model from Clean AI to Google VEO. Now we have our influencer ready from Google VEO3, and we're going to click on it to see.
The move to electric vehicles offers incredible benefits, not just for the environment, but for the economy. Sanchez.
So it seems like they are almost the same when it comes to animation, when it comes to the movements of the body, but when it comes to voice, Clean AI it does better than this. That's how you create it, and that's how you earn. That's how you earn with Higgsfield, and with Higgsfield.ai. You upload your video and you start earning as others.